रिमेंबर, लाइफ इज अ रेस, अगर तेज नहीं भागोगे तो। वैसे हम भाग क्यों रहे हैं? वी आर ऑल रनिंग फॉर अ रीजन, सो व्हाट्स योर रीजन? हियर आई एम इन सर्च फॉर माई रीजन। कम विथ मी टू लिव द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मेघालय। अगर आप मेघालय में हो देन दीज आर द टॉप मस्ट प्लेसेस टू विजिट, सो लेट द जर्नी बिगिन। हमारी जर्नी शुरू हुई उमियम से। उमियम इज मेनली नोन फॉर इट्स mesmerizing lakes and the breathtaking views of East Khasi Hills. The calmness of the trees, the company of your loved ones. Umiam was just so peaceful. We also tried the local Khasi food. जब यह बहकती हुई हवाओं का शोर पुकारे आपको उनकी ओर, दैट्स दाउकी। It is just 2 kilometers away from Bangladesh border, one of the nearest gateways to Bangladesh. It is one of the cleanest rivers in India. दाउकी for me would be जहाँ सुकून की लहरों में खो जाने का मन कर जाए। Besides boating, दाउकी में क्लिफ जंपिंग भी ट्राई किया हमने। यहाँ पे हमने पानी में छोटी छोटी फिशेस को भी पकड़ने का ट्राई किया और उन्हें बहुत मज़ा आया। अब बारी थी कुछ तूफानी, कुछ एडवेंचर सा करनी थी, सो चलो। This part of Meghalaya trip is called as Adventure, a trek to Living Root Bridge. Trek start हुआ from Tirna village, around 3 kilometers one way. Also we met some amazing people on our way. The cutest local kids ever. Trek starts with such descending steps, and then there were these amazing, breathtaking bridges and views. This bridge is made from wood and roots of the trees across the river beds. This is the single root bridge. More than 150 years old, man-made natural wonder. Finally, a little ahead comes the double-decker bridge. Now, for all you travelers, a very important recommendation here. Spend the night at Nongrayat village, that is near the double-decker bridge, and start the ascending of the trek next day. You will enjoy the trek much better without too much of exhaustion by doing this way. all the trek enthusiasts. After double decker bridge, you can also trek a little ahead to the rainbow waterfalls.
Welcome to Cherrapunji, the wettest place on earth. Finally, we got rain, and it's so damn beautiful here.
The next place is none other than Cherrapunji, also known as Sohra. यहाँ पे weather is like 80% humid. होगा ही ना? It's the wettest place on the earth. जो लोग मेरे जैसे हैं, lovers for monsoon and chai, the charm of this place continues to please your eyes and win your hearts. This place is like a waterfall का भंडार. Let me take you to my most favorite place of Meghalaya, Krangsuri, presenting India's most magical waterfall. मेरे लिए Krangsuri was simply a paradise. Even जिन्हें swimming नहीं आती, don't worry. Here they provide you these jackets which keep you floating in the water. कभी सोचा था नीचे shimmering blue waters and सामने these majestic waterfalls and you're just floating up there. Isn't it magical? Now, एक प्रो टिप जो हमें बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद पता चला था. You can stay at Krangsuri in tents and trust me, it's completely worth it. The midnight stargazing and no time limit to fun is the best part. We're all scared to take that leap of faith. But believe it, एक बार वो jump कर ली ना, there's no looking back. I would definitely suggest Krangsuri should be in your bucket list. I can never forget that day. ये खुला आसमां, ये घनी वादियाँ, ये कहाँ गए हम? हम हैं लाइटलूम में. For a bird's eye view of Shillong's magnificent surrounding, there's no better place than Laithlum Canyon. The scenic hill slopes, unending as far as one can see, and here you can live on the edge, like literally on the edge. Hey there, I hope you have enjoyed this experience of Meghalaya. You have stayed till the end of the video. That means you like me. That means you like what I have created. So, in order to keep watching more and also to motivate me, do subscribe to Smiling Fever.